Hi, my name's Andrew Enliar, and I'm presenting my first intermediate milestone for October 29th, 2017 for educational technology, and I'll focus my project on museum technology. So some background and a project overview of my project on museum technology. Museums create educational programs in math, science, art, literacy, history, and other topics, and they're often tailored to the needs of state and local curriculum standards. This is why it's very important in education. They serve as a powerful education tool for diverse groups and specifically people of groups K through 12. Data analytics and its use in museum operations is a topic that I would like to explore in my project and to see how that can improve museum operations. Learning analytics are digital tools which use rich data to provide insights into learning and suggested strategies for success. So integrating these learning analytics into the museum, I hope to see how can this improve the education for students in K through 12. The research question that I am asking with my project is, do data analytics in museum have the potential to enhance the learning experience of the visitors? Also, which specific tools and applications can be integrated within museums that collect as much useful information as possible? This information will be used for museum operations to improve the museum. Another question is, what software tools can keep students K through 12 age group engaged with the museum's exhibits, and how can this museum track this information that they receive from the engagements of the students to improve museum operations? Now I'll provide an overview of the current findings and research that I've done up to this point. Big data analytics for instructional applications are currently in the early stages, and they'll take a few more years to mature. Although their presence is already felt, they shouldn't be ignored. While big data analytics are not the only solutions for addressing all issues and decisions faced by higher educational institutions, they can become a part of the solution. Specifically for museums in my case. Mobile applications can be used to collect useful data around the museums. Visitors have smartphones, and the applications can be used to educate the visitors and keep them engaged while giving the operations the necessary data that they need. Another area that I'm exploring is Internet of Things and big data analytics. Internet of Things would involve using connected devices and smart sensors to capture data. And data analytics has the potential to enable a move from this Internet of Things to real-time and controlled, desired experience that operations can shape for the visitors. And in my research, I found in one area in Italy that uses a smart tourism. They use Internet of Things to make the smart tourism. They have crowdsourcing and cyber physical cloud computing, as they're two important Internet of Things technologies to enhance the experience of the visitors. Also, mobile gaming for these students in K through 12 is what I'm looking to explore. And also, I'm researching on existing museum technology. One existing technology is some mobile applications that use audio guides, and also has the capability of uploading images to Instagram to keep the visitors engaged. So these are all research that I've been doing on this museum operations. Some of the surveys that I plan on conducting include one, which is requesting feedback on how implementation of mobile applications in museums would affect the visitor's experience. So I have a list of questions that I plan to ask for that. And also, I'm conducting a survey on how a mobile application, such as a game, would keep a visitor of the museum involved during their visit, and how this would be used for students K through 12. And I really want to see how these applications affect these students. The next steps that I have planned out for the next few weeks is to research on how to apply these methods to museums and just more details of their implementation, and to integrate the feedback that I receive on my survey ideas and to conduct the survey. And last, to gather additional and necessary statistics that prove methods that I've researched would work when they're used in museums.